Hello friends, uh, let us discuss how I am taking the trades. Here you can see this is U cluster window and this is my new developed indicators window, and we will get signal in the U cluster and the confirmation in this window from my newly developed indicator. पित्ता बंद कर दे. Newly developed indicator. Here let us see the parameters. It is delta volume EMA and it is taking upward direction, means delta is increasing. If delta is increasing, this directly means that buyers are increasing. Here the total volume EMA is showing that total volume is decreasing. It means density of buyers is increasing. Here buyer and seller EMA is showing that sellers are decreasing, and here we are getting three signals that next candle should be the buyer's candle. But here from U cluster it is clear that either this should get a rejection from the value area high or from the POC, and we will take trade here on the rejection or 5-second buy candle. Okay, let us see what is happening here. Let the candle come down, only then we can take trade. Yes, it is coming down, and I have taken it near the value area high, whereas it should be on the value area high, at least here. It should be placed at least here, but I have it a little bit up to the value area high. Let us see what is going on now. High probability is there. Okay. It is neither win or nor loss. Now see the parameters again for the next candle, how we should analyze with this newly developed indicator. Here first parameter of delta volume is showing that delta is decreasing. It means buyers are decreasing, means sellers are increasing, and total volume is increasing. This type of signal is bit weak signal. It is signal but weak signal because total volume is increasing. If total volume will be decreasing with the delta decrease, then it will be strong sell signal. But here it is showing that sellers are increasing. Then these two things, these two parameters, this and this parameter is showing that the next candle should be seller candle. And here if we see the U cluster, then in the U cluster the POC is at the top and opening is bit below the POC. Then candle should go to the POC, then should take rejection from that point. Okay, let us see what will happen. Candle should go higher to that point, up to the POC. Only then we can place the sell trade. Okay, I have placed the sell trade. Why this sell trade was taken? I have already explained the things. क्या करना हम ये रियलाइज करें करने आगे तो उनका भी करा Okay, let us see why I have placed this buy trade now. Our first parameter of delta volume is showing that delta is increasing. Delta increasing means buyers are increasing. Again, here total volume is decreasing. And if total volume is decreasing and delta is increasing, it is directly indicating that buyers are getting very much strong here. And here we are on the this very strong, very strong level. So we can place trade here in the beginning also, because this signal is too much strong. And now the candle should move in the upward direction. And the market is going exactly as per our expectations, because analysis is too strong because of my newly developed indicators. It is giving a great and very deep insight in the market, what is happening there in the market, how the market, what is the strength of buyers, what is the strength of sellers. It is very deeply and perfectly shown by my this newly developed indicator. It can't go below this level.
बोले हमें दीदी समानता से कोई कमी नहीं रखी, समानता से कोई कमी नहीं रखी।
Okay, guys, you can give your queries in the comments, and this indicator is already uploaded in my Telegram channel. You can get it there, and uCluster is also already posted in my Telegram channel. You can place your queries as comments. Only those queries will be entertained, and for more clarity, more deep insight, and your explanation of your doubts will be taken in next Zoom session.